Hello, welcome. This is December Doodles with Catherine. Welcome to day 5. If you can draw circles and lines, which I know you can, and you can draw this little dude. Here we go. We'll start with a nice round circle. This will be his body. Now we'll pop 2 little circles on top for eyes. And another tiny circle inside each eye. Now we're going to colour each eye black, but leave the tiny circles white, like this. This will give him a cheeky glint in his eye. Now draw a tiny V for his beak, a tiny V. And we're going to pop a slightly bigger circle around his tummy and his face. It might come out touching at the base like this, or there might be a little gap, like this one. Both are absolutely fine. Remember, just like people, every little robin is totally unique. So it's okay if they're a bit different. Let's draw some little sticky legs. I sometimes like to give birds really long legs like this. You can do whatever length you like though. And a couple of little lines for his feet. How cute is your robin looking? Let's give him some wings. So starting in line with his beak, on the edge of the big circle, draw straight lines reaching up towards the top corners of your page. Imagine you're drawing arms on a very excited stick person. Now imagine a horizontal line across the middle of the biggest circle and make a tiny mark where it crosses each side of the big circle. Now you're going to draw a smile that joins these points to the tip of his wings, like this. Ta-da! You've just drawn an adorable little robin. I hope you enjoyed creating that. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later in December Doodles. See ya!